Hello there and welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Art TV. So you'll be learning how to watch Art TV on Android TV. So let's get to it. To get the Art TV app, go to apps and go to the Google and search for Art TV. So just like that. Make sure you have good connection. If I'm just to verify my connection, you find out that okay, my connection is good. So Art space TV. And just like that, click on it to load and find the one from play.google.com. This is the one you want right here. So clicking on it opens the page where you could download it up. Now you see open here. On your page, it's going to show install. If this is your first time installing the app. So if you don't have the app installed already, you see install. When you click on that button, you find the app downloaded. Then it's going to install automatically. Then you can use the app from the app library or just hit the open button right here. So I've just clicked on open and it's flipped my screen and now it's back to normal. So this is the art. So you're greeted with the welcome page and you're going to discover all of the app's functionalities. So let's go. So click on this button down here. So you're going to be asked to take cookies and notifications. Now that I've agreed to that, you have the app loaded. So all of these are possible navigations for you to enjoy. So concerning the movies, the TV series, the news, all of this in cinema, culture, all these categories, you could choose whatever you want here and enjoy the app. Immediately you click on it, it's going to start loading up, and to the top right, you have your messages and your profile. So that's it for this video. If you found this informative, if you found it insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.